Here I have KIANO Intelect X2, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device. Let me show you how to bypass password, how to delete account on the following Windows tablet. So at the very beginning, let's choose this power options, and before you tap restart, you need to start holding the shift on your device right here, the left shift. So keep holding the left shift on your keyboard, and let's tap restart right here. Remember to keep holding the shift. Now you can release shift as soon as the following screen pops up. So here you need to choose troubleshoot. Now let's select reset this PC. And now you have to decide that you would like to keep your files, so remove just apps and settings, but keep your personal files, or remove everything. So basically both operations will delete your account and your password, but in my case let me remove everything. Let me, for example, prepare my device for selling. So let's choose remove everything. The tablet is preparing operation. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, and now you have to decide that you would like to just remove files or you would like to fully clean the drive. The second option is better if you are really selling your device, but it takes a couple of hours and it is harder to recover your data. But if you are doing just for your own, let's choose just remove files, the first option. So now let's tap reset right here, and that's it. The device is performing the hard reset operation. Now it's good also to connect your device to a charger, because the whole operation may take a couple of minutes, even a few hours. So let me just connect my device to my charger. Let's just wait a few seconds. Alright, and now let's wait until the whole operation will be done. Keep your phone connected to a keep your device connected to a charger and wait until the tablet shows you the welcome panel, and afterwards, after the operation, there will be no password and account on your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.